Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gede Aprilia Sena. You can call me Sena. NPM 23411169. Kelas MNZ 23C. Baik, di sini saya akan menjelaskan materi statistika yang berjudul Probability. Definition of probability. Probability is the measure of the likelihood or chance that a particular event will occur. It quantifies uncertainty and ranks from null. The event will not happen to 1. The event will certainly happen. Next, formula for probability. The probability of an event occurring is given by the formula P dalam kurung A sama dengan number of favorable outcome total number of possible outcome, where favorable outcome are the outcome that correspond to the event you are interested in. Total outcome refer to all possible outcome in the sample space of the experiment. Next, example of a probability. Rolling a fire die. Experiment. Rolling a fire six-sided die. Sample space dalam kurung S sama dengan buka kurung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tutup kurung. Event rolling a 4. Favorable outcome sama dengan 1 dalam kurung only 4. Total outcomes 6 buka kurung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tutup kurung. The probability of rolling a 4 is P dalam kurung 4 sama dengan number of favorable outcome dibagi total number of possible outcome sama dengan 1 per 6 sama dengan 0,167. Basic terms in probability. Number 1, experiment. An experiment is a process or action that result in a outcome. Is something you do to observe or measure an event. G. Rolling a die, losing a coin. Number 2, sample space dalam kurung S. The sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. For example, if you roll a fire G, the sample space is S sama dengan buka kurung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tutup kurung. Number 3, event dalam kurung A. An event is any subset of the sample space. Interpretations a specific outcome or group of outcome for the experiment. For example, in rolling a D, an event could be rolling an even number, which consists of a sama dengan atau buka kurung 2, 4, 6 tutup kurung. Number 4, outcome. An outcome is a single result of an experiment. For example, the outcome of rolling a G could be any one, the number from 1 to 6. Next tips of probability. Number 1, theoretical probability. Definition: theoretical probability is based on reasoning or logical analysis. Without any experimentation, it is calculated by determining the ratio of favorable outcome to the total number of possible outcome, assuming that all outcomes are equally likely. Number 2, experimental probability. Definition: experimental probability is based on the result of actually experiment or observation. It is calculated by conducting an experiment multiple times and then determining the ratio of the number of times the event occurs the total number of trial. Number 3, subjective probability. Definition: subjective probability is based on personal judgment, experience, on intuition rather than statistical analysis or reasoning. It is often used when it is difficult to calculate probability based on experimental or the theoretical methods. Number 4, conditional probability. Definition: conditional probability is the probability of an event occurring given that another event has already occurred. This used when the occurrence of one event impacts the probability of another event. Number 5, joint probability. Definition: joint probability is the probability of two events happening simultaneously. It refers to the likelihood of both events A and B occurring together. Number 6, marginal probability. Definition: marginal probability refers to the probability of a single event occurring without considering other events. It is the probability of one event regardless of the event. Dalam kurung S. Next, teorema Bayes. Bayes' theorem is a fundamental concept in probability theory that describes how to update the probability of hypotheses based on new evidence. It allows us to reverse our precision or beliefs about an event based on new data or information. Next, formula for Bayes' theorem. P buka kurung A atau B tutup kurung sama dengan P buka kurung B atau A tutup kurung dikali P buka kurung A tutup kurung dibagi P dalam kurung B, where P buka kurung A atau B tutup kurung is the posterior probability, the probability of event A occurring given that event B has occurred. P dalam kurung B atau A is the likelihood, the probability of event B occurring given that event A is true. P dalam kurung A is the prior probability, the initial probability of event A before considering event B. P dalam kurung B is the marginal probability, the total probability of event B occurring. Next, Bayes' theorem helps to combine prior knowledge and new evidence to make for informed decisions. In this example, even with a 90% chance of a correct positive test result, the actual probability of the patient having the disease is much lower due to the rarity of diseases. Only 1% of the population has it. Next, application of probability in real life. Number 1, risk assessment and management. Description: in insurance and finance, probability is used to assess risk and determine premiums. Companies calculate the likelihood of various events such as accident, natural disaster, or make fluctuation to evaluate potential loss and say approve cover price. Number 2, weather processing. Description: meteorologists use a probability to predict weather conditions. They gather data from various sources and apply probabilities model to the likelihood of specific weather event. Number 3, stock market and investment analysis. Description: investors use probability to assess the risk and return of different investment based studying market trend in historical data and economic indicator. Investor can estimate the probability of a particular stock increasing or decreasing in value. Number 4, gambling and game story. Description: in gambling, probability is the foundation of most games. Should a poker, blackjack, and roulette player use knowledge of probabilities to make decisions, they improve their chance of winning. Number 5, healthcare and medical testing. Description: in healthcare, probability is to determine effective medical treatment and to analyze the likelihood of the result. It also helps interpreting medical tests as a result. Number 6, traffic flow and urban planning. description probability help in the analysis of traffic patterns and planning of infrastructure by understanding the likelihood of traffic congestion. Urban planner can design better road network, traffic lights, and public transportation system. Next, conclusion. Probability is powerful tool used across various fields to make informed decisions, ask risks, and predict outcome in situations of uncertainty. From weather forecasting and stock market analysis to healthcare, insurance, sports, and environmental decisions, probability provide a systematic way of quantifying and managing uncertainty by applying probabilistic model and calculation. Individual and organization can improve their understanding of complex system, optimize strategies, and make more accurate prediction. Whether in daily life or specialist industry, probability is integral to navigating the unknown and making better evidence-based choices. Sekian video penjelasan dari saya. Saya tutup dengan terima kasih.